You're done.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can change your Instagram password from a PC or laptop. To do so, first of all, just open up your Instagram on your laptop, and then you just have to go on to more, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. After you click on more, these options will appear. Click on to settings, and after the settings opens up, you just have to go into see more in account center. After that, this page will load up. Go on to password and security, and here go on to change password, and now select the account you want to change the password of. And after that, you just have to type in your correct password and input your new password and retype your new password. But in case you have already forgotten your password and that's why you're changing it, you can also use this button forgot your password to help you with that. And that's how you can change your password on Instagram from a PC or laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.